And our correspondent Siddhant is joining us for more updates. Siddhant, as India goes out to the international court today to defend Kulbhushan Jadhav, what are the particular objectives that it seeks to achieve?
Well, the main objective is to make sure that Kulbhushan Yadav gets reprieve, some kind of reprieve, because that's not expected from the Pakistani legal system. Remember, the Pakistani legal system has so far denied justice to Kulbhushan Yadav. He was summarily announced that he will be hanged by a Pakistani military court. There was no charge sheet which was given. There are no evidences, and India has been demanding for consular access almost 16 times, and the Pakistanis haven't responded. And there is some mysterious way the Pakistani military courts work, because it's just not in the case of Kulbhushan Yadav. They have been indulging in human rights violations in other cases also, because nobody knows the proof. The evidences, only a press release comes giving out the judgment, and there is an appeal timing of 40 days for Kulbhushan Yadav, which ends ironically on 19th of May. That's just a week. That's on Friday.
Right.
And India has, of course, gone for appeal, and the visa process for his mother, through which the appeal has been filed, is still in a limbo, because nobody knows whether she has got a visa or not. But at least for now, she hasn't got a visa. Okay. So everything puts the situation in a very confused state from the Pakistani side.
Okay, Siddhant, also there have been concerns about the jurisdiction of the international court. Even if it were to give a judgment in favor of India, will it be able to enforce it on Pakistan?
Well, the Pakistani strategy currently, our sources tell us, is based on jurisdiction issue, because there was a case in 1999, 18 years ago, when Pakistan dragged India to the World Court when India shot a plane, Pakistani plane, entering into its territory. At that time, India has raised the issue of jurisdiction. But this time, that won't work for the Pakistani side, primarily because India has dragged Pakistan on the contravention of the Vienna Convention on Consular Access. And under Article 36, the consular access has been denied. As I already told you, 16 times India has asked for consular access. So that is the point. So Pakistani case won't hold much of water, and the hearing, of course, is expected to begin a few hours from now at 1:30. The Indian oral hearing will happen for 90 minutes, which will end at 3 o'clock, and then the Pakistani hearing will start at 6:30, which will continue till 8 p.m. After that, some kind of preliminary order or some kind of reprieve or some decision is expected tonight. But remember, this can take a long time, because in 1999, when that case was started of airplane being shot down, the hearing continued for four days. So we really don't know what will be the final order or the decision. But so far, let's hope for the best.
Right, Siddhant. Thank you very much for joining us with those inputs. Our correspondent Siddhant